is true. But why? Why do women get lesser in the Islamic system and men get more? Now, to understand this, let me give you a blunt example. If I were given the choice that, okay, just a hypothetical example, if I were given the choice, do you want the women share or the men share? If I was given the choice, then I would take the women share rather than the men share. That is true, and that is I'm being very frank, and this is what I think, and this is what I would choose if I'm given the option, that I will take the share of the woman or women rather than the men. Why? You see, even though on the face value it looks like women is getting lesser than men, actually they are getting more. Because whatever women gets in the share, whatever part she gets, nobody can question it. Nobody can ask it. Even her husband, her brother and father, whoever it is there, her guardian, cannot ask for that money to be utilized, to be spent on somebody. You cannot. That is her money. She decides what needs to be done of that money. Nobody can question it. She has the complete authority over that money. But the share that is given to men, he is not only supposed to take care of himself in that share, but also take care of the people that are under him, that he is responsible for. His own wife, who might have got the share, his own wife, his kids, his parents, and whoever it is there, he has to take care of everybody in that share, what he got it. His responsibility is to take care of all those people in that share as he got. And the share that the woman got, she can keep it to herself. Even if the husband is struggling, if the woman decides not to help, she has the full right to it. She can keep it to it. Because the woman is always taken care of, either by her father, if not by her brother, if not by her husband, if not by her sons. Somebody is there to take care of her. These are the people responsible for that woman. Out of the four people, father, brother, husband, son, somebody has to be there, or a guardian, somebody will be there to take care of her. She doesn't have to spend from her money. That is the Islamic wisdom behind giving half share, because she has she doesn't have any responsibility. Even that half is too much, because that is completely for her, while the man has to take it. That's why I said, if given the option, I would take the woman's share and not the man's share, because I can keep it to myself. I don't have to spend on anybody else. So if you understand the correct logic, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will never do injustice to his creation. Both the man and the women have been created by him. So why would he do this injustice? Never. His name is Al-Adil. Adil means the one who is just. Adil insaf karne wala. That is the Adil. So why would you do that? So there has to be hikmah. But the only thing is, we need to understand the hikmah behind it. That why the women get lesser share as compared to the men's share.